Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sunday's unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Question number 90. The imperfect fungi, which are decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling, belong to imperfect fungus. Option A, Ascomycetes. Option B, Deuteromycetes. Option C, Basidiomycetes, or option D, Phycomycetes. Imperfect fungi, decomposers of litters and help in mineral cycling, belong to. Correct answer is option B, that is Deuteromycetes. Question number 76. Systema Naturae is a book written by option A, Charles Darwin, option B, R.H. Whitaker, option C, Robert Hooke, or option D, Carolus Linnaeus. Systema Naturae is a book written by. Correct answer is option D, Carolus Linnaeus. Question number 73. Select the incorrect pair. Option A, Porphyria choanocyte. Option B, Coelentrates nematocytes. Option C, Annelida segmentation. Option D, Monera eukaryote. The correct answer is option D, Monera eukaryote is the incorrect pair. Monera contains the prokaryotic organisms. Question number 55. One example of animal having a single opening to the outside that serves as both mouth as well as anus. Option A, octopus. Option B, asterias. Option C, ascidia, or option D, fasciola. Single opening that acts as both mouth as well as anus. Correct answer is option D, that is fasciola. Fasciola hepatica, which is also a liver fluke, comes under the phylum Platyhelminthes. It has a single opening that serves as both mouth as well as anus. Question number 91. Select the incorrect statement. Steller sea cow and passenger pigeon got extinct due to overexploitation by men. The Mitotic Convention on Biological Diversity was held in 1992. Species diversity increase as we move away from the equator towards the poles. Lantana is invasive weed species in India. You have to select the incorrect statement. So the incorrect statement, or rather the correct answer, is option C. Species diversity decreases as we move away from equator towards the pole, and it does not increase. So the statement C, or the option C, is incorrect statement. Question number 84. Polyethylene glycol method is used for biodiesel production, seedless fruit production, energy production from sewage, gene transfer without a vector. The correct answer is option 4. It is used for gene transfer without a vector. Question number 77. In human adult female, oxytocin causes strong uterine contraction during parturition, is secreted by anterior pituitary, stimulates growth of mammary glands, stimulates pituitary to secrete vasopressin. In adult female, oxytocin. The correct answer is option A, causes the strong uterine contraction during parturition. Question number 78. The energy releasing process in which the substrate is oxidized without an external electron acceptor is called as glycolysis, fermentation, photorespiration, aerobic respiration. Energy releasing process in which substrate is oxidized without any external electron acceptor. The correct answer is option B, fermentation. Question number 92. Male gametes are flagellated in option A, Anabaena, option B, Ectocarpus, option C, Spirogyra, or option D, Polysiphonia. Male gametes are flagellated in. The correct answer is option B, that is Ectocarpus. Question number 86. In which group of organisms the cell walls form two thin overlapping shells which fit together? Option A, slime moles. Option B, chrysophytes. Option C, euglenoids. Option D, dinoflagellates. Group of organisms in which the cell wall form two thin overlapping shells which fit together. The correct answer is option B, chrysophytes. Question number 69. The crops engineered by glyphosate are resistant or tolerant to bacteria, insect, herbicides or fungicides. The correct answer is option 3, herbicides. Question number 98. Which one of the following has its own DNA? Mitochondria, dictyosome, lysosome, peroxisome. Correct answer is option A, mitochondria. Question number 97. Vascular bundles in monocotyledon are considered closed because cambium is absent, there is no vessel with perforation, xylem is surrounded all around by phloem, a bundle sheath surrounds each bundle. The vascular bundles in monocots are considered closed because the correct answer is option A, because the cambium is absent. Question number 91. Select the wrong statement. Option A. Mosaic disease of tobacco and AIDS in human beings are caused by virus. Option B. Viroids were discovered by D.J. Ivanovsky. Option C. W.M. Stanley showed viruses could be crystallized. Option D. The term Contagium vivum fluidum was coined by M.W. Bejernickia. Wrong statement. Select the wrong statement. Answer is option B is wrong. Viroids were not discovered by D.J. Ivanovsky. It was discovered by Theo Diner. Question number 57. Which one of the following categories of animals is correctly described with no single exception in it? Option A. All bony fishes have 4 pair of gills and an operculum on each side. Option B. All sponges are marine and have collared cells. Option C. All mammals are viviparous and possess diaphragm for breathing. Option D. All reptiles possess scales having a 3-chambered heart and are cold-blooded animals. Which one of the following categories of animals are correctly described with no single exception in it? Correct answer is option A. All bony fishes have 4 pair of gills and an operculum on each side.
So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.